What if you could make money online without quitting your job, without falling for scams, and without needing years of experience? For many people, earning money online sounds unrealistic. But the truth is, millions of people are already doing it, quietly, consistently, and legally. In this video, I will walk you through 10 legitimate ways to make money online and build passive income. These are real strategies being used today. Some can start paying you relatively quickly. Others are designed to generate income for years once properly set up. Listen carefully because the real power comes from combining these methods strategically. Let us begin. 1. Freelancing online. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn money online. If you can write, design, edit videos, manage social media, or use tools like Canva, there is already a market for your skills. Platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide. At the beginning, freelancing is active income. You trade time for money. But as your skills improve and your reputation grows, your income becomes more predictable, scalable, and stable. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You do not need to create a product. You do not handle customer support. You simply share a unique link. When someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a commission. This becomes passive income when your content continues to generate sales long after it is published. 3. Faceless YouTube channels. YouTube pays creators through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate income. The best part? You do not need to show your face. Many successful channels rely on voiceovers, stock footage, and animations. Once videos rank in search or are recommended by the algorithm, they can earn money every month with minimal maintenance. 4. Selling digital products. Digital products include ebooks, templates, guides, and checklists. You create them once and sell them unlimited times. Examples include budgeting spreadsheets, investment guides, or savings challenges. There is no inventory, no shipping, and very high profit margins. 5. Print on demand. Print on demand allows you to sell physical products without holding stock. You design once. A platform prints and ships the product only after an order is placed. You earn profit without touching the product. 6. Blogging with ads and affiliates. Blogging still works when done correctly. By writing helpful articles that answer real questions, you can earn through ads and affiliate links. Once articles rank on Google, they can generate income for years. 7. Online courses. If you know something well, you can teach it. Courses are recorded once and sold repeatedly. They often generate high-ticket income and scale extremely well. 8. Stock market and dividend investing. Investing allows your money to work for you. Dividends pay you simply for holding quality investments. This is not fast money, but it is proven wealth building. 9. High-interest savings and fixed income. This is one of the safest forms of passive income. Your money earns interest while remaining protected. 10. Selling stock content. Photos, videos, music, and sound effects can be uploaded to stock platforms. Each download earns you money, repeatedly. In conclusion, making money online is real, but it requires patience, strategy, and consistency. The smartest approach is to start with active income and gradually build passive income systems. If you want simple, step-by-step money strategies, subscribe to Money Blueprint. Build wealth, one smart move at a time.